Hi guys, this is the second in a series of things I can do with a plastic mouthwash bottle. In the first episode we made a mousetrap powered car. In this episode I'm going to see if I can make it fan powered by this little handheld fan that I got from Poundland. So it cost me £1. It's been sitting on my desk for quite a while, so I can't remember when I bought it, but it was Poundland. Still got a tab in there, so see if it actually works. Oh, there's a bit of wind. So plan is take the mousetrap off. If we're lucky, I'll just peel off. Need to mark out where we want the hole. And if that goes in there, I'm not sure if the fan will clear. But it gets wider. Yeah, if I cut it that size, that should actually stick in there nicely. I think I'll take the wheels off while I try and cut it out, because they just get in the way. The wheels, I explained in the previous video, they're CDs that I've used 3D printed hubs on to actually fill the gap in the middle and grip the bamboo cane barbecue skewers, but you could just easily use a couple of bottle caps hot glued either side, or even just cardboard either side. You need something to fill the gap, that's all it is, so you can put your axles on. Right, I'll see if I can cut that out. I'll use a sharp knife and I'll do it off screen. Right, got it in there in the end. Took a bit of fiddling, but yeah, it sat in there and it clears the top there. It's not rubbing against it. So I'll put the wheels back on and we'll try it. Right, switch it on. Away we go. So there we go, a fan-driven car. You might need to watch the previous episode just to see how I made the holes in the plastic bottle. But that worked better than I expected, because that's not a very powerful fan. But obviously we got low friction here with the plastic bottle and the bamboo canes for the axles and the CDs for wheels, so it was enough power to drive it along. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.